These are the three fundamental laws. When you are with your breath, your mind becomes empty. When your mind becomes empty, you receive energy. And when you have enough energy, you will have a third eye activated, which means you will start understanding things which you haven't understood. There's so many questions. When you are with your breath, mind becomes empty. This is a law. It is bound to happen to anyone, anywhere, any age group. This is common for all. When you are with your breath, your mind becomes empty. The second happening is when the mind is rather empty, huge amount of cosmic energy floods into the physical body. That's why we are receiving energy in sleep. Because initially, suppose we are sleeping for 7-8 hours. What happens in sleep? Do you remember? First few minutes or maybe half an hour, you'll know thoughts, something. But after that, 5, 6, 7 hours sometimes, you don't know anything. Just before waking up again, you keep getting thoughts. What happened in between? No mind. The third thing, when sufficient amount of cosmic energy enters the physical body, the result is a reasonable amount of activation of the third eye. Third eye is something which will give you knowledge. You will understand why and how of things. Till then you will only know what of the things. But you will know why of the things. So third eye is something which will give you knowledge. Even about yourself. Third eye is something which will give you knowledge about something which you cannot see also. So it's beyond a physical dimension. Alright? You will start understanding things suddenly. Oh, this is how it is. Oh, this is why I am here. This is why I took this birth. Till then you have questions, but suddenly you will start having answers. From where did the answers come? Your third eye starts getting activated and you will start getting answers. Intuitionally you will know this is right for me, this is wrong for me. This is what I am here for. Someone from within is giving you all knowledge. So that ability we call it as, it's an extrasensory perception kind of. Not everyone will have it. Everyone will have the ability, but they won't activate. They won't maintain those energy levels. So with meditation, once you have enough energy, you will have third eye activated. Why sufficient amount of energy? This word is used because we now know that how we receive energy in sleep, food, breath, everything. But where are we losing energy? How many unwanted words you speak, how many unnecessary thoughts you make, how many unnecessary emotions you go through. How to stop the wastage? You should be able to be aware while doing it, while speaking, while thinking, while feeling. You should be there. Before becoming emotional, you should know that, oh, I'm about to get into this emotion. How am I feeling right now? If the observation is strong, you have control. If the observer is sleeping, mind takes over. So if the observer is awake, that is called awareness. You know what is happening. Whether it is thought or action or word or emotion, anything. So how to make this observer strong? By practice. What we are doing in meditation? Observe your breath, observe your breath, observe your breath. Who are we activating? The observer, right? So when you are in silence, the energy that is wasted through words is stopped. At least that is saved. And that starts going within, that energy, instead of going out, once it is retained, it will start benefiting you in different ways. One, your energy body stops losing energy, and that energy multiplies quickly within you, and it results into awareness first. You will suddenly start becoming more aware. because you stopped the outflow of words and first you observe that, you start observing, you start seeing your own mind. Oh my God, so many thoughts happen. Earlier what? You get thoughts, you speak a lot of them out. That is going on, but you stopped here. So the force of that energy comes and it has no outlet. So it creates a problem here first. So many thoughts happening. So after 3 days of Mauna, sometimes you will be totally stirred up. You will have too many thoughts, too many emotions, too many pains from the past. You'll suddenly feel, oh my God, where am I? What is this? Mind is very, very powerful. All this conscious and subconscious mind all opens up. All kinds of fears come onto the surface. You will see that happening. So day by day, keep observing how your mind is, how your thoughts are, how your emotions are, but don't get into them. Just because you are getting a negative thought, don't think that, oh my God, why am I thinking? No, not you are thinking. Your mind is thinking that. You are the observer, right? Don't switch unconsciously. And don't think that you are the mind. And I am going to see how my mind thinks, how my emotions happen, how my energy and the physical body behaves. Okay? Stick to the observer. Within 3-4 days itself, you will see a lot of change.